Hello everyone, welcome to the video. So, if your iPhone is showing iPhone unavailable, security lockout, or iPhone is disabled and you forgot the passcode, this video will show you exactly how to unlock your iPhone. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to unlock an iPhone passcode even if you completely forgot it. This usually happens after too many wrong passcode attempts. Apple automatically locks the device for security reasons. Now please listen carefully. This is very important. At this stage, the data stored only inside this phone cannot be recovered. That means photos inside the phone, videos inside the phone, messages inside the phone. Once the phone shows iPhone unavailable or security lockout, Apple blocks access completely. There is no real tool in the world that can unlock the phone and keep local data at the same time. But do not panic. If you have iCloud backup or iTunes Finder backup, you can restore everything after unlocking. If you forgot the passcode, the timer is gone, the phone is fully locked, then there is only one final solution for you is to erase the phone completely to the factory default. So, to erase it, you must need a computer. It cannot be fixed without a computer at this stage. So, in this video, I will show you two safe methods to erase your iPhone completely to the factory defaults. So, the first method is using TunesKit iPhone Unlocker, and the second method will be using iTunes. I will start with TunesKit first because it is easier, it is more user-friendly, it avoids many iTunes errors. So, let's get started. With TunesKit iPhone Unlocker, you can unlock iPhone if you forget your passcode, help you fix iPhone unavailable security lockout issue, and help you unlock Apple ID activation lock screen also. So, TunesKit supports all iOS devices including the latest iPhone 17 available on Windows and Mac OS. Now, install TunesKit iPhone Unlocker on your computer. The link is available in the description of this video. After installation, open the program. On the screen, choose Unlock iOS Screen Passcode. Now connect your iPhone, take a USB cable, make sure to use high quality USB cables. If you're using desktop PC, connect USB cable on the backside of the CPU. If you're using laptop, then connect any of the USB port. Now connect your logged iPhone to the computer. Now please enter the iPhone into the recovery mode. You can follow these instructions on the software to put the iPhone into the recovery mode. So I have right now iPhone 16 Pro Max in my hand. So to put all the latest devices into the recovery mode including iPhone 16 Pro Max and iPhone 17, it is easy. Just single tap volume up and then volume down button and immediately tap and hold the side button until it shows the computer screen. TunesKit will tell you exactly what to do. You don't need to remember anything. Just follow the on-screen instructions on the TunesKit software. Keep the phone connected during the whole process. Now TunesKit will detect your iPhone. Now select here your iPhone model. Click the download button and wait patiently until it finishes the download. It may take time because it is downloading a huge firmware file, about 10 GB of file. So wait patiently. When download is complete, click Unlock. Now just wait because after a few minutes your iPhone will restart. The lock screen will be gone and the iPhone will be unlocked. TunesKit iPhone Unlocker is a paid software, but that's expected for professional unlocking tools. You can also get up to 80% off using the official discount link and the coupon code in the description. I have also mentioned the coupon code clearly so you can save the money. Your iPhone is now reset, clean, ready to set up again. I will exactly tell you in the last part of the video that how you can recover your iPhone's data like photos, videos, messages, notes and everything back to your iPhone. You can skip the video to that part. But now let me first tell you the second method to unlock your iPhone if it is stuck on iPhone Unavailable Security Lockout Lock Screen using Apple's official iTunes method. So now install and open iTunes on your computer. iTunes link is available in the description of this video. Now connect iPhone with the USB cable. Manually put the iPhone into the recovery mode. Now iTunes will show restore and update button. Choose the restore button, then wait. Just like TunesKit, first it will going to download firmware file, then start the process to restore your iPhone to the factory defaults and erase everything presented on the device. After unlocking the iPhone, the phone restarts and you will see the hello screen. This means the iPhone is now clean and unlocked, like a brand new iPhone. At this moment, the iPhone will start asking you some basic setup questions like language, country, Wi-Fi, Apple ID. Just follow these steps slowly. It might ask you for a previous Apple ID. If it is asking the Apple ID, then it means your iPhone is on the activation lock screen. So make sure to use the previous Apple ID which was used in this device earlier. Otherwise, you cannot activate your iPhone. After a few steps, you will reach a screen called Apps and Data. This screen is only about one thing. Do you want to bring your old data back or start fresh? Here you will see multiple options. I will explain each option one by one very clearly. The first option is Restore from iCloud Backup. Choose this if your data was previously saved in iCloud or you have an Apple ID logged in previously in the iPhone. Apple stored your photos, messages, apps, and settings online, so you can restore it using this option by just signing in your previous Apple ID. Now we have option 2, Restore from Mac or PC. If you have any iTunes or find a backup previously on the computer, you can choose this option to recover your old data back to your iDevice. The option 3 we have Transfer directly from an iPhone. If you want to transfer any of your data from any other iPhone, you can also choose this option. But right now, I am doing Setup as a new iPhone. So this is how you can unlock your iPhone, iPad, iPod if you forget your passcode. If this video helped you, please like it and share it with someone who might be stuck in the same situation. Thank you for watching and I hope your iPhone is worked smoothly again. See you in the next one.